जय श्री राम। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मेरे YouTube चैनल गणित के ज्ञाता पर।
आज हम देखेंगे एक्सरसाइज 1.1 जिसमें सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, इज जीरो अ रैशनल नंबर? कैन यू राइट इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p by q where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0. So this is the definition. This part, p by q where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0, is the definition for the rational number. ठीक है, so the answer for the question is yes, 0 is a rational number. Why? Let's justify this. Okay, for justification we have to write 0 in the form of p by q. ठीक है, so we can write 0 as 0 by 1. This will be equal to 0. Okay, so 0 can be written as p by q and q is not equal to 0. 0 can be written as 0 by 7, 0 by 8, 0 by 1000 or any number. So 0 can be written in the form of p by q. So the answer is yes. So now we'll go through the second question of the exercise, that is find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. As we have already seen in the previous videos in which I have explained how we can find out the rational numbers between any two numbers. ठीक है, so since we have to find 6 rational numbers, so we'll be multiplying and dividing 3 and 4 by 6 plus 1, that is 7. Okay, since we have to find 6 rational numbers, so we'll be dividing it by 6 plus 1 and multiplying it by 6 plus 1. Okay, so just multiply and divide 3 and 4 by 7 by 7. Okay, so what will it be? 21 by 7 and 28 by 7. So 6 rational numbers, 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4 will be what? 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7 and 27 by 7. Okay, so these will be the numbers between the rational numbers 3 and 4. Okay, so now we'll solve the third problem of exercise 1.1, that is find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Like we have already seen in the previous problem, we'll do the same for this one. So since we have to find 5 rational numbers, so we'll be multiplying and dividing the both of the numbers with 5 plus 1, that is 6. Okay, so we'll be dividing and multiplying 4 by 5 and 3 by 5 with 6 by 6. So guess, so what will they become? 18 by 30. Okay, and 24 by 30. So 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30 and 23 by 30. Okay, so this will be our answer. Okay, so now we'll be solving the fourth problem of exercise 1.1, that is state whether the following statements are true or false, give reasons. So our first statement is every natural number is a whole number. Okay, so we have to see whether this statement is true or false along with the reason. Okay, so as we have already seen in the previous lecture that the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. All the positive integers exclusive 0. 0 नहीं होता natural numbers में. Okay, so when we write whole numbers are all the positive integers, okay, along with 0, inclusive of 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So now we can see that all the natural numbers are present in the set of whole numbers. Okay, so natural number is a subset of whole number. So the statement given is true. Okay. Now let's see the second statement, that is every integer is a whole number. So now again we'll write the integers. Integers को हम denote करते हैं z से. So -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0 and 1, 2, 3 and so on the positive side of the number line. Okay, so now we write the whole numbers. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So is every integer is a whole number? We can see that -1, -2, -1 is a integer, but not a whole number. Okay, so the statement given is, therefore the statement is false. Okay, the statement is false. So now we'll see the third statement, that is every rational number is a whole number. So let's take an example of a rational number. Let's take a number r is 1 by 2. Okay, so this is a rational number because it is in the form of p by q and q is not equal to 0. Okay, but is it a whole number? So 1 by 2 is not a whole number. Okay, so therefore the statement given is false. Okay, so we have seen with an example that 1 by 2 is a rational number, but it is not a whole number. So this statement is not true for all the rational numbers. Okay, so here ends our exercise 1.1.
अगर आप सभी को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज लाइक माय वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। जय श्री राम।